Well, howdy there, pluckers. Arthur Fingers back with you again with hopefully another interesting lesson for you. This is part 2 of my lessons on sharing the night together from Dr. Hook and the Medicine Show. In part 1 we just concentrated on the intro, which also doubles as the outro in my arrangement. So we're now doing the rest of the song, basically verses, choruses, etc. Okay, so when you finished coming out of the intro, you've got that double stops at the end there. Then we go into the first verse. You're looking kinda lonely, girl. Would you like someone new to talk? Yeah, alright. Okay, that's the first half of the first verse. Okay. So it's basically around 4 chords: D, B minor. You can either play the simple B minor or the bar chord, whichever is more comfortable for you. Okay, this is all mainly strumming as opposed to the intro, which is picking certain notes. So it's D. You're looking kinda lonely, girl. Then G major 7th again. Would you like A? You to, so it's an A chord. We haven't played that one yet, have we? So that's D, B minor, either that bar chord or a simple version 4 downwards like that. The G major 7th that we've already done, and then the A major chord. Okay, so it's you're looking kinda lonely, girl. Would you like someone new to talk to? So after you've done the first 2 lines, you've got that the second part of the intro, sort of. Except, and then you do that same little slide down on the double notes that you did in the intro. That sort of thing. Okay, so. Looking kinda lonely, girl. Would you like someone new to talk to? Oh yeah, alright. And then it just repeats, okay? I'm feeling kinda lonely too, if you don't mind. Can I sit down here beside you? Oh yeah, alright. We're going into the pre-chorus. Okay, nice easy bit really. First chord is E minor 7th, the way I play it. Single finger will do nicely. 2nd fret of the A string from the capo. All 6 strings. If I seem to come out too strong. Now, the 2nd chord is an F sharp minor 7. Okay, so it's a bar on the 2nd fret from the capo and a single 3rd finger on the 4th fret of the A string, the 5th string. If you can't manage the bar chord, just play a simpler F sharp minor, barring the top 3 strings on the 2nd fret, and then the 3rd finger and pinky play the 4th fret of the 5th string and the 4th string, and not play the 6th string. So 5 downwards, don't play the bottom E string, okay? So you've got E minor 7th. If I seem to come on too strong, if you want to do it like that. Okay, so it's if I seem to come on too strong, and then you repeat that again. Hope that you will understand. And again, I say these things because I'd like to know if you're lonely. Now, so you've got E minor to F sharp minor or F sharp minor 7th if you're doing the bar chord 3 times. So it's like if I seem to come on too strong, I hope you understand. Say these things because I'd like to know if you're lonely. I like to play you can play a G there if you like. A G, standard G chord, I like to play the G major 7th again there. Lonely as I am. When it goes as I am, it's an E7. So it's an E major chord without the 3rd finger, open 4th string. 2nd on the 5th, 1st on the 3rd, all 6 strings. Okay. So coming out, so that's G or G major 7th, Lonely as I E7th am, and then back to a G, if you don't mind, A, sharing the night, to D, together, and then we're going into the chorus. Okay, so let's just do the first verse, and then we'll do the pre-chorus going into the chorus. Okay, so looking kind of lonely girl, would you like someone new to touch? Oh yeah, alright. Kinda feel kinda lonely too, if you don't mind, and I sit down here beside you. Oh yeah, alright. If you seem to come on too strong, I hope you will understand. I say this thing because I like to know you're lonely as I am. And if you don't mind sharing the night together, oh yeah, sharing the night together, oh yeah, sharing the night. Okay, so basically it just goes around those for the chorus. It's just D, B minor, the G major 7th, and the A twice. Okay, so it goes, if you're lonely as I am, and if you don't mind sharing the night together, oh, oh yeah, sharing the night together, oh yeah, sharing the night. And then we're going into the bridge section, and that's a B minor again. Again, you can play the bar chord B minor or the simple B minor 4 downwards. Okay, depending on your personal choice. Okay, if we bring morning girl. Now this is again, this is B minor to F sharp minor. Okay, so that's that chord you played in the pre-chorus. E minor 7th to F sharp minor, if you're playing that shape. Okay, so B minor to F sharp minor. If we could bring the morning girl, if each morning went far. Right, this is B minor. We could bring in the F sharp minor, morning girl. If G, if you want to go that, A major far. And then what you do for that is you play the A, standard A chord, and then use your first finger to play that 1st fret on that 5th string, the A string. Just that single note, don't bother playing the chord, just A, okay, just that first note there. So it's, we could bring in the morning girl, if you wanna go that far. Okay, then B minor again, and if tomorrow, F sharp minor again, finds us together, G, right here, where you are. Would you mind, A, sharing the night, D, together, another chorus. Oh, oh yeah, sharing the night together. Oh, oh yeah, sharing the night. Right, so this bridge again, B minor to F sharp minor. We could bring in the F sharp minor, morning girl. G, if you wanna go that, A major, B flat note, B minor again, and And if tomorrow, F sharp minor, binds us together, G, right here, stay there, the way we are, would you mind, G, A, sharing the night, chorus together, B minor, G major 7th, A, sharing the night, D, together, B minor, G major 7, sharing the night. Then what happens, it goes into another verse, and it plays exactly the same as the first verse, exactly the same with different words, okay? Then it goes into that pre-chorus again, the E minor to F sharp minor 7th. Like we get to know you better, is there a place that we can go? Where we know alone together, turn the lights down low, and start sharing the night together. And that chorus again, sharing the night together. Yeah, sharing the night. And that's just fades out on that, but what I did was you do that after you've done 2 or 3 of those, sharing the night together. Yeah, sharing the night together. Yeah, yeah, I sharing the night too. And then basically play the intro, okay? Alright. Sorry about that, but little fluffs on the end, I couldn't remember playing the intro. So yeah, so that just put the intro on the end, or finish it however you wish to, okay?